Alright, so I've got to go and find some rocks because I am going to be cooking on my grill tonight. Maybe I should do the fire first. That's looking pretty dismal. Alright, let me go and find some rocks and we'll get the grill out. Now I'm just going to need to let this fire die down a little bit. You can't cook on a fire like that. But for the grill, you want to find a good rock like this, where it's got like a nice height to the side of it and a nice flat area there. The grill's going to sit on the corner there. Actually, I'll go and get it for you. 1 second. Like I was saying, that's the rock I've got. Alright, so you want that good bit of height, because you're going to have coals all under here. It's probably a little bit short actually, but you can pack that up. And the grill's going to sit on top of there. So these are our grills. Don't know what I've got all over it. It's the Adventure Camping Australia grill. Comes in its own bag. And it is titanium. Best on the market. Alright, so that's generally going to sit between two rocks. Yeah, cook on that. That's this for one. There is a larger one. I don't have any stock at the moment, so let the fire die down. I'll get my steak out and we'll get cooking because I am getting hungry. How about you, Scout? Huh? Alright, so that's pretty much the idea. You can might have to scrape this out a little bit. You only want a little bit of coals in there. I'll pull them out, put them under. Titanium is really good at conducting heat, so just as fast as it would heat up, it will cool down. If I took that straight off the fire, I'm not going to touch now. Yeah, if I took that straight off the fire, I could probably count to 10 and it would be cooled down. But in saying that, it heats up just as quick. So really conductive, super strong. It's titanium. I didn't bring any of my seasoning. Always oil your steak, not the grill. If you haven't seasoned your grill, you're in a bit of trouble. Alright. I think I probably need a bit more heat under there. But there you go. She on. Too hot. There you go. So these I chose because they are a lot bigger on the flame. I want to just drop it into the and they stand a lot more sturdy. So you can imagine how many times you guys have been out in the bush and your stove hasn't been that good, or it's overcooked everything because like the flame's too big. This one's good because it's got a lot more control on the flame because it's such a big base. Really holds the pots and pans. So yeah, that's why I chose that one. That's also available. Not many. I'm going to see how you guys like it first. If I order some more, we'll see. Bit of rice. Maybe it's a bit too much. We'll see. Have all that. That's got to go in. That's me pup. Okay, dinner's done. I just want to quickly show you my cleaning instructions for the Outback Grill if you are cooking on an open fire. So cook your dinner and then stick it straight on the flame. It'll discolour a little bit if you've only ever done it once, but it will burn it all off. Done.